Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to slide down the upper bar and find Do Not Disturb mode icon. Simply click on it. And now just select the mode that you would like to have, so it can be total silence, in which everything will be muted, but you will be able to make phone calls. Then, let me go back. Then you will be able to pick alarms only or priority only. So in this mode you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from alarms, reminders, events and colors you specify. And here you can customize it if you want to, but we'll do it later. And now you can set it up until you turn this mode off, or you can set it up, this DND mode, for some particular time. So let me pick, for example, 5 hours and click on done to save it. So now we are in Do Not Disturb mode. You can also personalize it through the settings. So let me open the settings, then find and pick sounds. Sound is here, and then go to Do Not Disturb mode. And now you can personalize priority only allows, so you can select the colors. Also you can switch off or on reminders. Now you can select from who you will receive messages, so it can be from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, or from none of above. As it's priority only allows, I will pick none of them, and calls from start contacts only. Then you can also activate repeat callers options, so if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period, it will allow it, so we can activate it here. Then you can also set some automatic rules, so for example, click on Add a Rule, pick Time Rule, let's name it Hard Reset. Tap on OK, and now let's pick the days on which it should be active, so let me pick, for example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Click on Done, then pick the start hour, so it can be 10, and then the end hour, it can be 6 AM next day, and just select the mode that you would like to have, so it can be obviously priority only, alarms only, or total silence. I will pick total silence, and here you've got the option alarm can override and time, and I will definitely switch it off. And here you can switch it on and off. Let's go back, and now if you would like to delete some rule permanently, simply tap on bin icon and click on delete. And that's it. Let's go back. And finally, you can also block visual disturbances, so click over here, and now you can block when screen is on by tapping over here. And also you can block when screen is off, so let me select both of them, and that would be all. This is how you can personalize and use Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can enable low power solution whenever you want to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.